nabwata amone kisimiki ye uru nabwata amona mabaki.
Korea Jumanne mwancho muri Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yobwekira nubuna kego chikoreto asumure na Getembe digital app mwancho muri ngo konyera buna na bogo so Play Store onyare ko download app ya kerero ya Getembe iri nyare kubwata mirobiro yonsi ya Getembe TV na boigo Getembe FM njenga treni Nyaboga urisoni makoro korwaso muna boimanyerero kabana into goika omwario Natoko chaka niga James Nyaboga airanira bisi bene buna mukarani gose Clark bwe serikali ye county ya Kisii eyengo bwatikana no kuna chagweke gambero anene mono igoro yobokoreri bwe serikali bwe county asabono ya chigeto buna Nyaboga airani abisi na abekagwa kano gosaka ne omushara ya bonsi korwa buna atinene tu abisi gwekira buna ritukeriga airana abisi bene na gochaka emirimo yaye ne serikali ye county ya Kisii. Muraiwensi ya Kenya muske Daktari William Samoei Ruto nigo alireira yoko tiagosira ebiago bya basai anene mono ase chigosori chimopira aseboiga tebira nigo barachikona kya ebitivyons bechigasori imeyechi county ngo agachobire gochakira serikali nene goikira serikali county ko kwana oseruto niga ya kwana yaiga korwe nyomba yobora ya State House omocho Nairobi gaki ara umurejega boko bwatoka abasai bari bwagucheza se abasai be timu yense ya Kenya bari insi emyaka emerongo ebire abarache kogenda ase enseri ya Egypt.
We are also refurbishing Kasarani. We are putting a canopy. We want to make it a stadium. We are doing something in Buhungu in Kakamega. We are doing something in Eldoret, the Kipchoge Stadium, and many other stadia across Kenya. My friend Vuria here and his team at the Ministry of Sports are also expanding infrastructure. Sports academies, he tells me that they are going to build 37 additional sports academies across Kenya, 10 of which have already been advertised. And it is because we want to broaden the scope of the footprint of facilities that will support our young people so that they can harness their talent in sports. So we are going to work with you. We are going to reach out for ideas on what we need to do to make sure that we do this together. When I made a commitment about 10 years ago when I was deputy president, many people made fun of me with the stadia. but we are going to surprise them. Yes. Because we are not only going to do the stadia, we are going to add sports academies, and we are going to build a world-class stadium in Jamhuri, just to demonstrate that we can match what we are saying with what we are doing. And so, Mr. Brian, I like your confidence. I like the confidence of your team. And you are a good team leader. Yeah? You have my support, as I have said, with your team. And please, make me come to the finals of AFCON.
Chinga kichecho mwaziri wetu Gosari Muske Salimuvura na waigomo president wa Kenya Federation Federation Kenya Football nigo Hussein Mohamed nigo agokeire etimu eyo asibarire na goteba nigo barache kuyisira na kwenekia ngo buere ase chigosori echo.
It is my hope and prayer that this will continue even at the sub-county or at the constituency level, where we need facilities for our footballers. Women football is on the rise. We need to invest a little bit more also in women football as we develop football holistically. Your Excellency, the Ministry of Sports has been of great support, and I wish to take this opportunity to thank the Ministry, especially the Cabinet Secretary, the PS, and the entire team at Ministry of Sports and Arts and Creative Economy. They have done us a huge favor and a huge service by the support that they have accorded us over the last couple of months. They've held our hands.
Us as boys, we have been happy because we have been kept in a good environment, and the preparations have been well. And about the group that we are in, I want to assure you that as under 20, we are going to fight. We are going to make the Kenyans proud when we come back.
We are already doing a lot of work to nurture the grassroots talents, and this is part of what your vision is, Your Excellency. The under-20 football rising star is very historic, Your Excellency. This is the first time that a Kenyan team of this age is going to compete in AFCON, and we are giving you all the support. I'm very confident, from what the captain has said. Even though the group is touted as the group of death, there is no death there. It is a group where you can win, and I'm sure you will win. It is a good prelude for AFCON and CHAN, and therefore I have no doubt that this team, Your Excellency, will measure up, to the expectations of Kenyans. Lastly, Your Excellency, we are well in good progress with CHAN preparations and AFCON. As you know, we've already made the financial commitment. We are pushing the completion of the infrastructure, and therefore we are moving in that direction, Your Excellency, as per your guidance. With those many remarks, I would like to invite His Excellency the President.
Serikali chechi county nigo chiabori kumanya inamba yechinyagitari imech county chikwena na obokoreri bwabo inse yo morobiro universal health coverage erekwenekia oboene na boigo obwaso ku ase chinyagitari chechi county omwaziri bobochenu Muske Adendware nigo ayakwanetaya asigikaro na bagafana aneno mono chinga kibari kurigerera chingencho na boigo bitarambukiro barachikemuke erekwenekia buno morobiro sha na boigo taifa kya nguikiranore ase chi county.
I want to assure the people of Kenya that the universal health coverage, the Taifa Care rollout is in progress. We have done 6 counties so far. Beginning 20th of this month, we are going to do another 13 counties where we will distribute gadgets. As the chair said, we will train all the staff to come and learn up to speed with the technology that the system that we are introducing, the Digital Health Agency is introducing. There was a concern that there are certain products, pharmaceutical products, that are used by our young people, which a technical team led by the Director General of Medical Service, Dr. Amoth, will sit with the stakeholders and regulators to find out how we can stop from our young people to access those particular pharmaceutical items without a prescription from a registered and known and trained doctor. And I finally want to thank the Council of Governors for welcoming me. I want to assure you that unlike what you went through, please make sure that, that what we have asked, for example, we asked the Council Governors, and they'll provide us this afternoon. There are about 2,900 public facilities run by our 47 counties, which have not been registered. We want them to be registered. And for the Ministry of Health programs to succeed and to secure the health well-being of our citizens, our collaboration, our commitment, our partnership with the Council of Governors and the 47 county governments, health CECs is paramount. And that's why I have come here.
Na kurwa sensemere yetsemini gobo mobwa boroke abanene which school choboroso kemanye kaine buna Kenya Primary Schools Heads Association capture wajiganire serikali kobakini aboroke abanene ababeri bakora emirimo yabo asegeka ekenene okwana asegekero kyabo gyakero umwaka nigo umunyakero go bw'ikyombe gya capture orosagerwa Nyanza elondeki atebire buna kurwa umorobiro CBC ochagete nigo aboroke wabo banyorire emirimo emenene na nigo babone Ebirogo.
Publishing quality materials, especially grade 7 and 8, where most of you are having a problem in the classroom business.
We need a system that is stable, not a system that is not stable. Our heads upload the learners. Sometimes you wake up, you find all the learners are not there. We want to believe that the government will act on this, and again for prudent utilization of funds. Money once given should be accompanied by the guide on how to use it.
The amount of money that is disbursed in senior schools is the same in senior schools is the same amount of money that should be disbursed in junior schools, because grade 7, grade 8 and grade 9, these are all senior secondary school classes, and therefore the funding should be the same.
Na togo chigokora niga bunge la mwananchi bono kyayeganire ekyombe kirikyo bukotuka obosare meyense gya DCI kumobeka byara oyo kabeire omukonyi bumuraibwense umusikeri gatigashago kubwatikana n'ikingwana cyayebuna muraibwense ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigo akubwatirana n'ekyombe kyababebu imeyense ya Sudan ekimanyikaine buna Rapid Support Forces gose RSF asibono batebire chingwana echeche muske gashagwa necho kobeka obwamate bwense ya Kenya na boigo bwense ya Sudan ase akongo.
Good morning. We petition the director of DCI to undertake with immediate effect the arrest of former Deputy President Mr. Rigathi Gachagua over his conduct as a citizen and over his recent unsubstantiated remarks that were fatal and detrimental to our diplomatic standing as a country and our bilateral relationship with the Republic of Sudan.
Members of Bunge la Wananchi, we are giving the Director of Criminal Investigation 3 working days. Failure to do so, failure to arrest and investigate Rigathi Gachagua, we shall institute again our constitutional right, Article 37, freedom of demonstration to pass petition to public authority.
Anafaa chukuliwa hatua kali sana, na anapokuja katika mbele ya vyombo za habari lazima ajue ni nini anazungumzia. Mambo anayezungumzia akiwa kwake na mambo ambaye anapeana nje ya nchi lazima ayapige msasa ndipoza azungumze. Kwa hivyo Gachagua sisi tunasema hivi, DCI achukua hatua kali sana, wasilale usingizi, wamchukulie Gachagua kwa kina kabisa.
Rayo kure Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yo bwenge ninchikwera na gaiga ase Chinsa 10 ngoretera yo muna yande kenda gutwara burigire buru byonje ngatire ni Nyaboga gwisoni makori kurasa umuntu mu buyo bwe bimanyererio.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani gwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chebiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene eduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.